கிளைக்கு ஏற்ற இலைகளும் பழங்களும் இருந்தால்தான் அழகு. அதிகமான பழங்கள் இருந்தால் கிளை முறிந்து போவது போல உடலுக்கேற்ற உள்ளமும் ஆன்மாவும் இருந்தால்தான் பக்தி ஏற்படும்.
When leaves and fruits are only so much as the branch can hold, then it is a thing of beauty. Just as the branch snaps from too many fruits, devotion happens only when the mind and soul are in consonance with the body. Om Sakthi.
Om Sakthi. Nature reveals wonder. Sri Gopala Nayakar was the son of Sri Duraisamy Nayakar, a man respected in his village and fondly addressed as Mestri. Sri Gopala Nayakar's firstborn was a daughter who died at a very young age. Second born was Sri Bangaru and the third was a daughter, Dhanalakshmi, who Adigalar was very fond of. Kalidas and Varalakshmi, the last two, completed the family. Dhanalakshmi died of a snake bite when she was 10, plunging the entire family into misery. One day, Sri Gopala Nayakar went around a trident-shaped neem tree in his farm when he saw a huge snake coiled around a branch. He called his friend who happened to pass by and showed him the sight. The friend consoled the grieving father, saying, "This must be none other than your daughter," and took Sri Gopala Nayakar away. From then on, Sri Gopala Nayakar would light a lamp in front of the tree every morning and evening. On Tuesdays and Fridays, he would also offer pungal, sweetened rice. One day, at around 6 in the evening, women who were returning from work were astounded to see a bright light emerging from a small hill in Acharapakkam nearby. The light then fell upon and merged with the trident-shaped neem tree. Soon after, milk started flowing out of the tree. Everyone took that as a sign that this was no normal tree. On the night of November 28, 1966, there was a violent storm of thunder and lightning. And the next morning, the neem tree fell over, revealing the Swayambhu, a self-manifested representation of Divine Mother. That same night, Adigalar, fondly called as Amma, went to the place and said, "I have thus arrived at my site, Sthalam. All those who wish to follow me may do so." Amma did an Anga Pradakshanam, rolling on the ground with wet clothes, all the way to where the Sakthi Peedam currently is.
Dear viewers, there's more to follow on this series of Infinite Awareness. Stay tuned to our BangaruAmmaGlobal YouTube channel. Om Sakthi.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the BangaruAmmaGlobal YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.